What's up, TikTok? It's your girl Jazzy. You already know who it is. So, y'all, I had my client come sit with me. It's been about 2 weeks since she sat in my chair. She had surgery recently, so I was very excited to see her again. She came in with some recycle bundles and she was like, Jazz, can you do something with these? And I said, girl, let me see. So, she has very fine hair. So, I went in and just pretty much did her a bun in the back for that volume that you need. And I silk pressed it. Now, a lot of y'all are scared of glue, and it's okay if you don't know what you're doing. But if you know what you're doing, you're going to always see a stylist or yourself use Morning Glory, which is a protective sealant between the hair and the bonding glue. So you should never have no problems washing this out your head when you're referring to having a bun in. A lot of times y'all just be pulling y'all hair and y'all wonder why y'all bald. So don't do that shit no more. And then, so look, y'all. So I'm doing this bun in. Y'all see it's perfectly blended. You can't even tell that ain't her hair. Now, y'all already know what to do. Follow me. I holla.